you could add protective guidelines through a parent-teen driving agreement. An agreement communicates that driving is a privilege, one that your family takes seriously. These agreements were pioneered about 15 years ago to address some key facts. Parental involvement and restrictions that are enforced, monitored, and hold teens accountable significantly reduce risky driving behavior during a driver's first 12 to 18 months behind the wheel. Teens lack experience and judgment and are susceptible to impulse behavior and peer pressure. An agreement can help teens govern their behavior in unfamiliar circumstances. The Parent-Teen Driving Agreement is a contract that you and your teen enter into together. It spells out the rules, regulations, consequences, and responsibilities that both you and your teen agree to before the teen ever starts to drive. Plus, the restrictions in the agreement reflect the law. It's important to know what restrictions your state has on newly licensed teen drivers and to be prepared to follow them and even set stricter limits. For instance, until the new driver logs a certain number of hours or miles, some families negotiate stricter limits on peer passengers and night driving, two of the most significant factors affecting teen crash rates. Click on the link below to continue, and don't forget to download your own Parent-Teen Driving Agreement before leaving this page.